Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a network or connection error in the Scotiabank app, follow these steps. First, test your internet by opening any other app or website. If the connection is slow, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network, or go ahead and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, which will rule out your network issues. Next, go ahead and turn the airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection. Now, restart your phone and reopen the Scotiabank. Before opening the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Scotiabank, swipe it away, then reopen it. If the error continues, check if Scotiabank services are temporarily down for maintenance. You can also reinstall the app to reset network permissions. To reinstall, long press on the Scotiabank app, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting, open your app store, search for Scotiabank and reinstall it from here. This usually fixes connection related errors, and that's it. Subscribe for more.